What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, a very special welcome back to you. My name is Clara. I'm an advanced species from a distant galaxy living on the blockchain space. In today's video, we will be taking a look at a report by ARK Invest. According to ARK Invest, Bitcoin and Ethereum have significant price upside potential. In a new research report, U.S. investment firm ARK Invest shared a bold price prediction for Bitcoin and Ethereum at the end of 2010. ARK Invest remains bullish on cryptocurrencies and two major assets in particular in this space. U.S. investment firm Cathie Wood has released a new report called The Big Idea 2022, which paints a rosy picture for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The report sets a price target of $1 million per Bitcoin by the end of 2030 and states that Ethereum's market cap could exceed $20 trillion. Ethereum has a supply of about 120 million and is estimated to burn roughly 1 million coins annually once it merges with Proof of Stake, which would put the supply closer to 110 million by the end of the decade. That would mean the price of Ethereum would be about $180,000 if ARK's prediction came true. Discussing Bitcoin's growth potential, ARK analyst Yassine El-Mandra wrote, and I quote, "Bitcoin's market capitalization still represents a fraction of global assets and is likely to scale as nation-states adopt it as legal tender. According to our estimates, the price of one Bitcoin could exceed $1 million by 2030. At $1 million per Bitcoin, anyone buying into the asset today would make a return of about 26 times the current price of $37,800. The firm based its long-term call on the argument that the top crypto asset represents only a fraction of the value of global assets amid increasing adoption each year. ARK Invest offers several actively managed exchange-traded funds and holds $23.9 billion in assets under management. It's hoping to launch a Bitcoin ETF product in the near future. Wood has made no secret of her bullish stance on crypto. In 2021, she predicted that Bitcoin could hit $500,000 by 2026. She made the comments in a year that saw increased institutional demand in crypto pave the way for the first Bitcoin futures ETF to hit the U.S. market in October 2021. While ARK and Wood may have shown confidence in Bitcoin, the market has shown less enthusiasm toward the asset in recent weeks. In the last 30 days, Bitcoin has plummeted from $51,000 to 6-month lows below $34,000. It has recovered slightly over the past few days, but is 44% below the all-time high of $69,000 in November 2021. The report uses the performance of the Bitcoin network to show that the largest holders are focusing on the long run. ARK said the number of long-term investors surged in 2021, and there are addresses showing long-term behavior, collectively containing 13.5 million Bitcoins that have not moved in 155 days. ARK justified its $20 trillion market cap target for Ethereum, saying that Ethereum has value as a base currency for DeFi, NFTs, and other Ethereum applications. He added that Ethereum could represent a significant portion of the global financial services market, which is expected to reach a value of $123 trillion by 2030. Ethereum is currently trading at $2,630, bringing Ethereum's market cap to just over $312 billion. This is a 47% decrease from November. Our research shows that Ethereum has the potential to displace many traditional financial services, and its native token, Ether, can compete as a global currency, the report says. Meanwhile, Bitcoin appears to be in trouble as most of its price action is driven by the futures markets. Bitcoin is struggling to find support while whales remain sidelined. The number one cryptocurrency has broken below its psychological $40,000 support level to hit a low of $38,000 at press time. The downtrend appears to be driven by over-leveraged traders in the futures markets. Meanwhile, whales on the spot markets appear to be waiting for the asset to drop lower before accumulating more tokens. Roughly 67.6% of all accounts on Binance Futures are net long on Bitcoin at press time. The data suggests that traders are overconfident about future price movements as the BTC and USDT long/short ratio rises to a monthly high of 2.08. Optimism among traders can often set the stage for long-term pressures that seem to be happening now. If the whale doesn't return to the market, it's more likely to be squeezed out. According to data from on-chain, the number of network addresses holding between 100 and 100,000 bitcoins has not changed over the past month. These wealthy market participants do not appear to be interested in buying Bitcoin at the current price level. Perhaps it's because you're expecting a lower lowest price. The lack of interest in the spot market is also evident in the number of new daily addresses joining the network. Despite a 40% surge in the price of Bitcoin over the past 3 weeks, the network is not seeing significant gains. According to Glassnode data, the number of new daily addresses remains constant, averaging 400,000 per week. Given the high correlation between network growth and Bitcoin price, it is reasonable to expect a surge in this network metric, which supports the continuation of the bullish trend. Until then, Bitcoin can test the 200-day moving average at $37,000 on the 3-day chart or the Tom DeMark-set trendline at $33,500. Failure to maintain above this critical support could trigger a series of liquidations in the futures market, which could further push the price further. Let us know in the comments section below if you are still positive that Bitcoin will hit its set price target of $1 million per Bitcoin by the end of 2030. Till next video, I remain your favorite. May the 4th be with you, and may the odds ever be in your favor. See you in the next one.